Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW such as BMW E46, which is the 3 Series BMW guys from year 1998 to year 2006, and you have any of the following codes guys: P0 301, P0302, P0303, P0304, or P0305 and P0306. Any of these codes guys will show you how to fix that. The last digit of the code, as you see guys, it goes from 1 through 6. This is corresponding to the cylinder number and it detects misfire in that cylinder. So stay with us, we'll show you how to fix it, what we'll be using for diagnosing. All the tools and parts will be listed in the description of the video below. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So let's start on it now. So let me show you now guys, we're going to start this car. Okay, you can definitely feel the car misfiring. Okay, definitely guys, definitely misfire. Engine light on. What I'll do now, okay, we're going to scan the system. We'll turn the ignition on, engine off. Okay, and I want to go back, okay, start from the beginning to show you what this computer can do. You can use it on any car, not just BMW. You can read and delete codes from the engine computer, ABS system, traction control, airbags. You can do battery registration, electronic brakes. You can see just some of the functions guys I'll mention here quick. So we'll go to OBD, okay, and while it's waiting, so that's what we get guys. We have one code found. We'll click OK. We'll connect to the module here now, click enter, and we'll click read codes over there, stored codes, and the code that we have P0302, cylinder number 2, misfire detected. So we'll turn the ignition off and I'll show you guys how to fix that now. So this is guys the engine right here. We removed, this is the cover for the ignition coils. Okay, you have two plastic caps that you remove and you have two nuts, holding it in place right here and one towards the back. Those are your ignition coils. Okay, you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ignition coils because it's a 6-cylinder engine. And you start counting the number of the cylinders from the front of the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have problems with ignition coil number 2. It's either guys a bad ignition coil or a bad spark plug. In our case, that's causing that code. And how you change it? Okay, you open that cap, it spits it out. You grab the ignition coil. Okay, we pull it out. We'll see if ignition coil will solve our problem. If not, we'll replace the spark plugs. But we did spark plug replacement not too long ago, so I don't think it's a bad spark plug. Most likely it's a bad coil. So I'll get a new one. Okay, we'll replace it. Okay, and we'll see what's going to happen now, guys. You can check out in the description of the video below where you can get the replacement parts and all that stuff, and the new ignition coils in the description of the video below. Let me start the car now and see how it runs, if we have any improvement now. Okay, first what I'll attempt, to delete the code. So we'll go back. Okay, let's read the codes one more time to establish communication because the ignition was off. Okay, we're still waiting. Almost there. Perfect, now we'll go back. We'll click erase codes right here. We confirm that we want to do that. Perfect, erase done. Let's start the car now. No engine light on. Okay, the car runs super smooth. You can see with no problems at all, so that definitely takes care of the problem. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.